When honeybees swarm, the old queen and about half of the bees from a hive leave to find a new home. They cluster together, sometimes in a tree, but in this case it was under a pallet in our garden, and scout bees go off looking for a new place to live. All the bees are deeply loyal to the queen. They're drawn to her by a special scent called a pheromone that she naturally gives off. This scent tells the rest of the bees, "I'm here and this is where we're going." So when I saw this swarm, I managed to find the queen among the thousands of bees on the ground and gently placed her inside this small temporary hive called the nuke box. All the other bees pick up on a scent, and as soon as they realise, hey, the queen's in there, they march right in after her. Sometimes it's in a very orderly, almost magical looking way, and sometimes they just fly about and find their way in like this. Once they're all inside, which takes about an hour or two, I close the entrance, move them to a new location about 3 miles away, and just like that, I've got a brand new colony starting a fresh life together. All because they followed the queen.